Alright, adventurers, we are at the car park and we're going to head down this path here. We're going to head north in this park, about as north as we can go, I think, and then we'll head east a bit and then just make our way sort of back south. So we're just going to head down this track. There's a bit of climbing to do. You can see the big hill up there, so let's get on with it. Through the creeks and just on the trails now. So we'll head north, bit of climbing, but should be a good day. See if there's any water flowing. No, none of that rain made it through. Alright, onto the single track. There's an old camp in there. We just got to keep on following this north until we hit the end. Starting to get green after all the water, all the rain. There's a fence up there. As you can see, the storms that come through have dropped a lot of trees across tracks. So I'm guessing that's going to be a thing. Well, let's go around this and keep on going. Looks like they've done a lot of fire breaks and grading. I think we go that way. I think that's the river, and then we should be able to turn and go around there, I believe. Let's give that a crack. We're coming up to the dam up here a bit through this bush. So here's the dam, a little dam here that fills up with water. A lot of silt in there now in the winter. And normally it's just a little waterfall there. And a bit of a clearing out there. Well, we'll take a closer look. Alrighty, that's the dam. So we'll head off. I've got the GPS, the Garmin and the Garmin Edge. So we're running both GPSs today for a test. And we're going to head up that trail. Alright, let's go. Looks like they've just about made all this single track into a fire break. So this is a little camping area, sort of up on the scarp. You can sort of see it sitting up on the scarp, and a few fire rings and that around, one there, and you can see the city out here. City and the east suburbs. And we're going to keep on going. We've got to head a long way north yet. Climb this hill. Alright, just climbed up here to the top of the world, right up on the ridge. Now we hit some single track, I think. You can see the city down there. Single track turns off here, I think, somewhere. Just here. And this is it right here. And it's true single track. And it's all burnt. Up here on the ridge, there's the city. You can see these fires come through here, and these grass trees are already green. They handle fire perfectly. It's probably good for them. But they are all green. And you can see the track. Alrighty, we got a little bit to go. And back into the trees. Alright, so we're near that amphitheatre. It's over there somewhere. I've just come across this well. Just go straight down. It's dry, but I don't know what that's there for. Water testing or something. So there's a big hill up here. We've got to go up that, and then we'll see where this amphitheatre is. Here's the back of that amphitheatre. This is the car park. Must be over there. We're heading up this hill. Big tank of water there. I've never been to this for any show. So that's the Red Hill Theatre, or open theatre. We've got to head up here and find a road that heads to the right. Right, we're on the boundary, very northern boundary, as far north as you can go. And we're going to go down this trail here, which is single track. I'll have to double check where this takes us, but we should go south and hit a more substantial road. Just let me check the GPS. Alright, this is single track. We'll see how far this takes us. We should hit a main road. Probably go left. Here we go. A bit of a mountain bike jump. Another one up here by the looks. I know where this is. This is where the old ruins is. In there it is. So that's where that is. Alright, now I know where I am. And we'll turn off the road here and we'll go through a nice flowy section somewhere just up here. So here's the flowy section. Following this fire trail, a little creek there to the left, granite rock up here. There's the heritage trails just there. We're going alongside it. You can just see people up there. And this is just a parallel trail. You see people over there. So that's Hovia Falls. This is a little bridge. We'll go across this bridge and then we'll be on the heritage trail. In winter there's water flowing through here and down those falls right there. Heritage trails here, we're going to hop on that and head back to the car.